Okay, so today we're going to do a burn test on these 3 anti-drainback valves to see if they're silicone or nitro rubber. This one looks to be nitro rubber. These two look to be silicone, but they come off of these filters right here. And this is a made in Japan filter. This is a made in Japan filter. And this one's a made in China filter. And each one, you know, this one here goes to that one. This one goes to that one. That one goes to that one. These made in Japan filters, sometimes they're black, but they're actually silicone. So let's do the test on these. And we'll start with the silicone. This looks to be silicone. It should be a white ash. Kind of hard to light. White smoke. Yeah, it's not really burning like crazy. Yeah, you can see that's a white ash. Okay, so that's silicone. And that was the made in Japan. This one's made in China. That also looks to be silicone. Yeah, white ash. Okay, and this one, let's see, this is the made in Japan one right here, this one. Pitwork oil filter. Alright, see that's nitro rubber. You can see a black smoke, it's burning out of control. And it's black and it stinks. Yeah. So that's definitely nitro rubber. Okay, so this concludes this test. And I think I'll wrap this video up. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care.